Now, this is what I call the butterfly family. So there are a lot of different variations of the butterfly. And so they all have that component though of selling time and volatility as part of the spread. So, looking at what we've got here, we've got, we could do butterflies with long calls or put. And so that's what we can do. We can do this is what I call a bounce butterfly. We can make that a really wide wing butterfly or a narrow wing butterfly. We'll go through a lot of examples here in a minute, but that's how we can, adjust our risk. We can make it really narrow or we make it really wide. All right, so the other things that we have with butterflies, we can do what we call a broken wing butterfly, sometimes referred to as skip strike butterfly. And we can do that with calls or we can do it with puts. We can do an unbalanced or ratio butterfly. We can do a broken wing ratio butterfly. We can do the iron butterfly. We can do what we call the lotto butterfly. We've got what we've designed as a Batman butterfly. We've got a Batman and Robin butterfly. And then we've got butterfly hedging defense, just a whole nother category. Then we've got the other really great strategy, which is kind of an offshoot or cousin. We've got the long condor, and then we can do all the different kind of variations with a long condor. So we could do a broken wing long condor, ratio, etc. And then we've got all the hedging. So you can see here, you've got a lot of variations, but these can really help you in all the different market conditions that you might be, having to trade in.